Stress is something we all experience, whether it comes from work, relationships, money worries, or daily responsibilities. A little stress can push us forward, but too much can drain our energy, affect our health, and make life feel overwhelming. The good news is, with the right strategies, we can learn to manage it effectively and protect our well-being. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Healthy World, and hit the notification bell so you never miss tips for living a healthier, more balanced life. Stress triggers your body's natural fight or flight response, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. In short bursts, this is helpful, but chronic stress can damage your health. It can raise blood pressure, weaken your immune system, and disrupt digestion. Over time, it also affects your mental and emotional state, leading to anxiety, depression, poor focus, and sleep problems. But stress doesn't have to control your life. Regular physical activity can reduce stress hormones and boost endorphins, helping you feel more balanced. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can calm both your body and mind. Fuel your body with a healthy diet rich in vitamins and antioxidants, and get enough quality sleep. Good rest is essential for your resilience, and don't underestimate the power of social connection. Talking to friends or family can ease the weight of stress. If it ever feels like too much to handle alone, seeking professional help is a smart and strong step forward. Stress is part of life, but how we respond to it makes all the difference. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Healthy World, and share your favorite stress management tips in the comments below.